In today's video, I'm going to teach you why you might encounter an error when trying to access your OpenAI account and how to resolve it efficiently. We've all been there, eager to dive into ChatGPT for our daily tasks, only to be stopped in our tracks by a frustrating access issue. Let's explore why this may be happening and, more importantly, how to get you back up and running smoothly. First, one major reason you might face issues while logging in is when you're using a new device or accessing your account from multiple devices. OpenAI's system flags this behavior as a potential security risk to keep your account safe. Another factor that could trip up the security systems is the use of a VPN, proxy, or even a shared network. These tools mask your actual location and might raise an alarm as they obscure your usual place of access. Additionally, making rapid requests or using scripts can also flag your account with unusual activity alerts. After all, the system is built to detect suspicious patterns to maintain its integrity and security. Now that we understand what can cause these problems, let's delve into some practical solutions. A simple but effective starting point is to log out and then log back in. It's amazing how often this straightforward step solves the issue. Make sure to sign out from all other devices that might be logged into your account. Once you've done that, close your browser entirely, reopen it, and log in again. Sometimes these refreshing steps are all you need. If the problem persists, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Specifics might differ slightly across browsers, but on Chrome, for example, navigate to the settings, make your way to privacy and security, then choose to clear your browsing data, specifically targeting cookies and cached images. After you've done this, restart your browser and try logging in again. This can clear glitches caused by old stored information. Another important step is to disable any VPNs or proxies if you have them enabled. While these tools are helpful for maintaining online privacy, they can sometimes trigger those unusual activity alerts by masking your IP. Turning them off can help ensure proper access from your regular IP address. It's also wise to check the stability and privacy of your network. If possible, try to avoid using public Wi-Fi or shared networks temporarily to ensure a seamless login process. A stable private network reduces the risk of being flagged by security systems. Lastly, consider switching up the device or browser you're using, as some browser extensions or settings could inadvertently trigger the error. Experimenting with a different device or simply opening an incognito tab can often bypass the problem. With these steps, you should be able to overcome the access issues and enjoy a smooth experience with ChatGPT. Remember, it's all about maintaining a balance between security and accessibility. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting.